But what is one thing that you can do right now in the fall that is actually the most important time of the year to do it? And that is broadleaf weed control. I'm talking perennial weeds. And a lot of broadleaf weeds like clover and violet, which is very difficult to control, are perennial weeds, meaning they grow year round. Now, why is it important to go ahead and treat them in the fall? Actually, most people put a weed and feed out in the spring, and it can do control broadleaf weeds. The reason being is in the fall, those perennial broadleaf weeds are starting to put their resources into the rooting system. Okay, they're putting their nutrients into the rooting system so they overwinter properly. If you put out a herbicide right now, it's going to take that herbicide into the roots and you're going to get much better control, particularly on clover and the more difficult perennial weeds to control. If you put out a weed and feed in the spring when clover is actually flowering, the likelihood of you controlling it is very, very slim. So right now is the perfect time to be putting that out. Now, as far as what you should be putting out, another thing you also consider in the fall. Right now at Walmart, Lowe's, they're wanting to put all their Halloween crap out. We're almost Halloween next week, or Christmas stuff, and they are giving this stuff away. Literally, you can. And it may say crabgrass control on the label, but also look, and it usually says clover control as well. Those hose end adapters, here's a Spectricide product that I saw at Walmart. I think it was marked down to less than $5. This is the time of year, one, to stock up on that stuff, but two, you could treat your yard and get rid of just about all the weeds in it going into the fall for probably less than $10. And what a product used to call that will cost you $15 in the spring, right now it's going to cost you $5 because they're giving it away because they got all this Christmas crap out. So anyway, there's that. I'm going to leave links to these also in the description if you guys want to grab those on Amazon. And some of these are actually available on Amazon too. I'll leave you a BioAdvance product that is a very broad spectrum control, and I'll leave you a Weed Stop down in the comments. Now, for those of you who perhaps are in the north, okay, I'm talking Minnesota, it's getting pretty cold up there, and particularly those of you who want to treat or can treat with a backpack sprayer, I'm going to give you one, and that is SpeedZone. The reason why I'm recommending SpeedZone is because it does very, very good in cold weather. Some of these products, particularly, a lot of these broadleaf weed control products really need an active growing weed. And SpeedZone, it's one thing great about it is it does very good during colder weather when a lot of the weeds are not growing as aggressively as it would be earlier in the fall, or late summer, and there again in the spring. So you can put the SpeedZone out now, or you could do it in the spring. The also great thing about SpeedZone is you can seed a week after you apply it. So if you happen to be watching this in the spring, or if you want to retreat in the spring and then follow up with perhaps a seeding, that's the great thing about SpeedZone. It is a very safe herbicide, except for those of you like with St. Augustine grass and centipede grass. You got to kind of watch. I don't think it's labeled for zoysia grass either, but you can put it on Bermuda. So anyway, those are some options for you. But right now is a great time to put it out. As far as myself, I'm an agronomist. I'm a North Carolina State University graduate in golf course maintenance instruction for over 30 years, and got a little over 5,600 subscribers, and I keep my videos very topical. So if you hit the bell when you subscribe to my channel, if you hit right here, you'll subscribe here at the end. You'll get notifications when my videos come up, and it will give you a very good heads up of something you maybe should be doing or something you should be looking for in the future. And it might also help you a lot in preventing some turf damage to your yard, because I've already made a video on it. So at any rate, pretty quick video today, but I did want to let you know about that right now is a great time, both from a monetary standpoint, because all the stuff's on sale, and two, from an agronomic standpoint, fall is the time to control these perennial broadleaf weeds. Anyway, I hope this has helped you. Please like and subscribe. I'm agronomist Greg Phillips. Thanks.